Hello everyone, today I would like to make an unboxing video of a kit I'm looking very forward to build. I have been a fan of the VIP scene in Japan for quite a number of years, always wanted to build my own, and following James from Scale JDM Reviews, I was inspired to also build my own, and this Toyota Crown Athlete GRS214 from Aoshima is the perfect candidate. It looks gorgeous on the box art, and I hope it also builds as gorgeous as it looks. And let's have a look at the box all around first. And from here we can see that this is the 20-inch custom package. Obviously it is referring to the rims that are included with this kit, and those are the SSR professors. And from the box art we can see that it builds into a lowered version, something which I really like, and if it comes as good as that, I will be super happy. Let's open the box and see what we have included. Okay, lots of parts, lots of spruce, lots of bags. I will go ahead and have a quick look now in the boxes and the bags, and then start opening the bags and take an even closer look. Okay, lots and lots of parts included. I thought this was a simple kit, but from the look of it, it's not. So many parts included. That's a big body. I have recently built two K cars, so seeing this large body, I'm not sure if I'm still on the 1:24 scale, but I am. Professors. Okay, let's begin taking a look at everything. Yes, the leaflet, the manual. Okay. And this is a page which I really like from Aoshima, and it shows you all the parts that will remain extra once you complete the project. They are marked in dark gray, and those highlight the parts that will not be used when building this type of version. And as we can see, there are quite some parts which will remain in our parts list when the crown is complete. So now everything is out of the bags, and let's start having a look at the parts, beginning with the body. There it is. As I said, this is quite a long body, just like the real car, and some nice molding. It is quite a modern kit, so not many imperfections, just some mold lines which I can notice. However, that's absolutely nice. And continuing with the other body parts, okay, we have the bumper, side skirts, front, back, boot spoiler, and this is something which I am not really a fan of. It's the front grille on the real thing. This is obviously opened for air intake, however this one is closed, and I shall see if I can do something about that. Now let's move on to the chassis. Okay, typical simple Aoshima chassis with the molded exhaust, and gearbox. Drivetrain will be a bit some work to do for the masking to actually airbrush everything in color. However, it's doable. Some more parts. In this kit we have these lovely disc brakes, which are grooved, detailed, and everything. Very nice, I must say. And I also have the Brembo badging either, so that's a bonus. 4 big brakes, which I'm sure will suit the car nicely. Some more chassis parts, rear differential, front diffuser, more chassis parts, okay, for the wheels and control arms and everything. More chassis parts. Now let's turn to the interior with the interior tab and the seats. Okay, just like other kits, we need to join the back of the seat with the front. That will leave an unwanted mold line, an unwanted seam line, which will need to be filled to make it more realistic. More interior, door cards and the dash together with the steering and the indicators. Some nice details. What's more? A small sprue, okay, where we have the wing mirrors, wipers, license plate holders, and also another set of disc brakes. These are smaller and undetailed compared to the others, and these are not used, so those are extra for another project if you like. Now let's turn our attention to chrome. What do we have with chrome? We have 1, 2, and 3, which are actually chrome. This goes behind the front grille, which I shown earlier. Some nice exhaust tips, and the rear light configuration, very nice, very detailed from what I have seen. And on top of this goes the red rear clusters like that, and these will look absolutely gorgeous in place. What's more, we have the front headlights, door handles. That's a bonus, being supplied separately. That is absolutely great when it comes to airbrushing. Side mirrors, more chrome. Final piece of chrome, we have the Royal emblems, the gear knob, everything chromed and ready. Another piece which looks like chrome, but it is not chrome, it is actually silver. It's the exhaust. Alright, it's applied as silver. Maybe some will leave it like this. However, as usual, with the problem with exhausts, there is the mold mark across the exhaust, and that will be very noticeable once you attach everything together, so that needs to be taken care of, and that means the exhaust will need to be fully airbrushed once again. Also, the wheels, the 20-inch package, the SSR Professors, very nice. There we go, the VF1 together with the separate lip which goes on like that. Quite a nice dish also, very nice. I'm sure they will suit perfectly beneath the crown. The tires, so many parts. We have the also, there we go, the springs for the suspension, tires, polycaps, and also some screws to attach some chassis parts together. The tires, I must say, these are nice, lovely. The typical Aoshima, very soft rubber, some Pirelli logos on the side, P7000, nice tread, nice wall, very low profile, absolutely gorgeous. Thank you Aoshima for giving us some lovely tires included with this nice kit. Some lasting. Also we have the decal sheet, very simple, not many decals are necessary for this type of car. However, we have some nice in-car entertainment, dials, Japanese license plates, the dual screen, some nice Japanese licenses also to be attached, crown emblems, Toyota, nice, I like. The window masks, always perfect to have them included. And last but not least, the clear parts. I will keep them in the bags because I don't want any scratches to occur before actually painting them. However, I can see the glass, the sunroof, although the body is not cut with the sunroof. Maybe you can do it separately if you want. The lights, okay, indicators, and basically very nice clear glass from Aoshima. From what I have seen, it's a nice kit which I'm looking very forward to build.